as you could just hear, this is in here for a new flex pipe. It's broken and leaking. They had replaced this somewhere else not too long ago. You can see it's kind of an aftermarket pipe. But the flex went bad. We'll put one of our inner braided flex pipes on there for them so they don't have to buy that whole front pipe again. And that's it. Alright, that flex pipe is now installed. We're just going to seal up the welds all the way and it'll be all set. And that's one way you can save money instead of buying a whole part, just replace it.